Hey, what's up LNC fam? Welcome back to part 7. It's your boy Dr. Vlad is in the house. First of all, I want to say big thank you to every single one of you guys for subscribing, for showing so much love, for all your positive feedback and comments. You guys are just rock stars. And this video will be priming the door, painting the quarter panel. I also got to take the door apart, and also got to repair the rear bumper. We're gonna paint the rocker and the rear bumper and then put everything together. So enough of this talk and let's get to work. So right now I'm gonna remove this mirror and this molding so we could paint the door. Alright, took the door apart. That's it, time to put primer. Alright guys, we got the Ferrari in the paint department. It's gonna get primer today and hopefully we'll paint it tomorrow. So let's take a look. So yeah, gonna get primered and then paint tomorrow hopefully. Alright, we got the Ferrari in the spray booth. I'm gonna spray it real quick and it should be ready in about 1, 2, 3. Boom! And Ferrari's all painted. Came out nice and clean. Damn, Daniel. So we could start putting the car together slowly. But yeah, everything came out nice and clean. Nice and glossy, no dirty spots. Perfect. Perfecto. Alright, time to go home and we'll start working on this as soon as we can. Alright, so first I'm gonna start with putting the mirror, the door handle, the molding, and then the inside trim. So let's get to work. And then we'll work our way down to the back. Alright, we installed the mirror, the molding, this little corner piece. So now we'll start installing the door handle and the lock and start putting the door panel together. Alright, so I put the door together, everything works. So now we're ready for the door panel. I won't start the door panel right now. But yeah, everything works. Close it, no problem. So we'll install the door panel and start working towards the back. The side vent, and then the back spoiler and all the good stuff. And then the rear bumper. Alright, the door panel is all installed and ready to go. Start working towards the back. But yeah, everything else is nice. Alright, so right now I gotta install this side vent, carbon fiber. It goes right here, so in order for me to bolt it in, I had to remove once again the intercooler, the air duct, so all kinds of goodies just to get to the bolts right here, and it slides from the inside, so that's fun. So yeah. Alright, this one is installed. So many bolts, and there's 2 bolts right there, so hard to get to it, but we did. So now we're gonna install the air duct and the intercooler. Yep, that's how it looks. Carbon fiber. Alright, the air duct is installed. Everything looks good. Same over here with the intercooler. So the front end, the side is all finished. So we'll start working on the back. Alright, so we got the old bumper, kind of messed up, but we're gonna save it because it's a really expensive bumper. So this fell off, so we're gonna repair it, and it should be good to go. This guy and this guy. So we'll use some fiberglass and try to attach it back. Should be fun. Let's get it. So I'll be using this fiberglass coating, and that's the hardener. We'll mix it up and glue the brackets back on, and then we'll lay some fiberglass on top of it. We're working on the rear bumper, so I had to fix this corner with fiberglass. Same over here, and also the bumper brackets were all broke off, so I had to add fiberglass to kind of fix it. So I had to put fiberglass on the inside, at the bottom, and then this corner. So now we're put some Bondo, and it should be ready for primer. So yeah, I'm gonna have to bundle this whole corner. Had a bunch of cracks and all that good stuff, so we'll fix it. It's gonna look like brand new again. Alright, I repaired the bumper, everything looks good. I test fitted it before we primer and paint, make sure everything looks good. The lines are perfect. So yeah, now we could remove the bumper and primer and paint, and pretty much the car is almost ready. Alright, the two final pieces got painted for the Ferrari 488, the rear bumper. I had to repair it, so it looks like nothing ever happened. Came out nice and clean. And same with the rocker, but the rocker was brand new, so came out clean. No dirt spots, really glossy. I'll install the rear bumper, the rocker, and we're gonna send the car to our mechanic shop, have him do the final programming. Make sure all the seat belts are working properly, because the collision was on the side, so the seat belts technically should work, but we do have an airbag light on, so we gotta scan that and see what kind of codes will come out. So I'll put that together, and we're gonna send the car out to get it all programmed, dialed in, and yeah, and then we'll start hitting the streets. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so I got the Ferrari bumper. Right now I'm gonna install all the grills. This one that goes around the tail lights. Grills right here with the exhaust tips. And same with this side. And this is the side that I repaired. Bracket right here. And the only difference, right here I don't have like a little platform like on this side. But I made this one as strong as that one, if not stronger, so it works. That's the only way to fix it. But everything else looks nice and clean. Alright, so we put the bumper all together, the muffler tips, the grills, the wires, the sensor. So everything is ready to be installed. Alright, I got the rocker right now, so I'll install it real quick. And we'll start with the rear bumper. Alright, so the rocker is installed, same with the tail light, wing. So now we're gonna install the bumper. Alright, the rear bumper is installed, looking nice. So yeah, next we'll take the car to the mechanic shop, get it all checked, reset all the airbags, so make sure the seat belt's working good, and then I'll start putting the interior together. Also, we're waiting for fender liners for the rear, for the front. We got the headlights, and same on this side, there's no fender liners. And once the car comes back from the mechanic shop, we'll install the diffuser as well. We want to leave everything off, so in case they need to check something, we don't have to remove anything, so it'll be easier for them. And then once the car comes back, we'll just do the final put together, wash detail, and take it for a test drive. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 8. That's gonna be the last. We're gonna take the car to mechanic shop, get it all reset, and once it comes back, we're gonna install all the fender liners, the rear diffuser, the interior, and take it for a test drive. So for now, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, you know the drill. Sorry, sucks to be you. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.